In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can use serial dilution to enable us to be able to count the amount of bacteria or estimate the amount of bacteria that we have available. Okay. So I have washed my hands, which is also key to aseptic technique. You know we've got the flame going, which is going to draw the convection current around to move bacteria away. Okay, I've got some prepared plates which have got nutrient agar on. I have got some distilled water that has been sterilised in the autoclave, as you saw on autoclave before. I've also got some pipette tips here and a syringe which will enable me to bring up bacteria and start my dilutions. Okay. So what I will need to do first is to actually label up my plates. Okay, so on those plates I will need to put down the date, which is the 10th 10.2.21. Okay, and I will put 1 ml here. So I'm going to be taking a milliliter of this Escherichia coli broth that was started on the 5th of February. Okay, you can see it's quite opaque. Okay, it's got quite a reasonable amount of bacteria in it, I would imagine. And I will be growing it on this plate here with a ml of it on the plate. Okay, I will then take a fresh tip and put a ml into each of these dilutions. So the first one will then be 0.1, etc., going down in our number of dilutions. So in fact what I could write on this is going to be times 1. Okay, so what I will do is then write on this one 10.2.21. okay, I should write E. coli. I'll go back and write E. coli on the one, and we put the strain of E. coli, which is K12. Okay, and I'm going to put 0.1 on it. Okay, and so that will have 0.1 on it, and the next plate's going to have 0.01 times. Okay, so I'm going to dilute it down 10 times as we go through. Okay, so I'm going to stop now.